Managing your money doesn't have to be complicated. Today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate Notion finance tracker, a simple but powerful system that helps you understand your spending, control your budget, and actually see where your money is going every single month. Let's start by opening a new page in Notion and naming it something like Finance Hub or Money Dashboard. This page will serve as your main control center, where you can view your income, expenses, savings, and financial goals all in one place. Inside this page, create a database called Transactions. This is where every peso you spend or earn will be recorded. Add properties like amount, category, type, date, payment method, and notes. This may seem basic, but it makes the entire system incredibly flexible. The clearer your transactions are, the more accurate your insights will be. Now, add categories that match your lifestyle. Things like groceries, rent, utilities, transportation, kids, entertainment, savings, or investments. This helps you instantly understand where most of your money is going. And because it's in Notion, you can adjust it anytime your life changes. Once your categories are set, switch to a view that matches how you want to see your finances. You can create a monthly view to track your cash flow, a calendar view to visualize spending across days, or a summary view where you group transactions by category. You can even filter it by month so you can compare how your finances change over time. Now let's make it smarter. Add a simple formula that automatically tags transactions as an expense or income based on the amount. You can also create roll-ups that calculate total spending per month, total income, and your remaining balance. This transforms your tracker into a real budgeting tool, one that shows you exactly where you stand financially at any moment. To make the experience even easier, create a template button for adding a new transaction. When you click it, it will generate a new entry with today's date already filled in. This makes logging your expenses quick enough that you'll actually keep doing it. Next, add a budget section. Here, you can set a monthly budget for each category and compare it to your actual spending using roll-ups and formulas. Notion instantly shows you whether you're within your limit or overspending. It's a simple visual reminder that helps you stay disciplined without feeling overwhelmed. And finally, build a savings and goals section. Whether you want to save for emergencies, pay off debt, buy a new gadget, or plan a vacation, this section shows your progress. Every time you add money to a goal, you can update it in the tracker and actually watch the progress bar grow. It's motivating and makes saving feel rewarding, not stressful. By the time you're done setting up your ultimate finance tracker in Notion, you'll have a complete financial command center, customized your way, super simple to maintain, and powerful enough to keep your finances on track.